Hello, my name is Christian and today we're going to show you how to configure a WordPress site, okay? So right now we are going to follow a guide, so the first item that appears is to create several posts. So let's go to posts and right here we can create a post. Okay, so right now we have created two posts. They are these ones, okay? So right now we have to create a category for them, so let's create several categories. Let's call this one accident, for example. Slack is the URL friendly, so this thing that will appear right here. Parent category, there isn't anyone. Description, this is necessary, so add category. Let's create a news category also. Parent category doesn't want, and now on accident we can do edit, parent category news, update. So we have two categories. We go to the post and assign a category for it. Edit, categories, news accident, save. And we do the same one with the other. Accident news, so this one news accident and remove uncategorized. Okay, so to edit the current homepage, we are gonna use a plugin that is a theme, so we are gonna customize it and we are gonna let it by default because I like this how it looks. I like the recent post, but I'm gonna delete recent comments because I don't like it. So we can go right here, got it, and we can remove it from here. So it is gonna be like that. So we have it published and we have a homepage. Okay, now we have this form, so we are gonna create a one column basic form, and there we go. It is created perfectly without doing anything further. Okay, so we have now a contact form. Okay, so now we have our pages and we are gonna create another one by using a plugin that is called WordPress. Okay, so we are gonna install this one right here. Okay, so right now we have our WordPress plugin installed, so we have now forums and we are gonna create a new forum. Let's call it discussion and we can keep it like this. Okay, so don't worry, let's make ourselves the administrator, and now we have our forum. Okay, so right now we are gonna create a navigation bar, but before doing that we have to create a menu for that navbar. So we're gonna go appearance, menus, we're gonna give it a name, we are gonna create the menu, and we are gonna import our contact page, our blog, our home page, and we are gonna also add a link test with our forums. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, add to menu. Oh, HTTPS, and we add to menu. Oh man. Okay, we are gonna have this discussion. Okay, save. And we are gonna add our 3 pages, add to menu. Okay, so that's our navbar. Okay, we can arrange it however we like, so like this. And we also can add post, so in our news homepage we also can, oh better, in our blog we can also add these two, add to menu, and we are gonna make them subcategories. Okay, I'm gonna make news, add to menu, and we are gonna do it. So we are news, fatal train, and this one also. So there we go, that's our navbar. Okay, so we save the menu, has been updated. Okay, and now we got our theme, customize. Okay, now to show our navbar, we are gonna go to menus, navbar, and we are gonna make it on the primary. Okay, so there we go, that's our navbar. Now to add the weather, we're gonna go to our plugin, we're gonna go to our city, in my case Granada, we're gonna copy this, accept, we're gonna go to customize, we're gonna go to widgets, we're gonna go to secondary widgets area, okay, no, sidebar, well, excuse me, we're gonna go to here, shortcode, we're gonna paste it, and there we go. We're gonna publish it, we're gonna go to our local host, and it must appear right here. Okay, now we are gonna add our social icons, so we are gonna go to footer widget area 1, we're gonna go to the social icons, and we are gonna go add WordPress, we're gonna add also, I don't know, we are gonna add GitHub, we are gonna add RSS feed, and we are gonna keep it like that. So in GitHub we are gonna go https github.christianac.live, okay. On our WordPress we are gonna go localhost 8080, and here we are gonna go like the default example.com forever. And there we go, we have now our social icons. Okay, so right now we are gonna create an RSS, so we are gonna use the El País one, okay, so we are gonna go to footer widget area 2, for example, we are gonna add an RSS, and we are gonna paste the URL, apply, and there we go. That is our RSS, so publish, and there we go. Okay, so now we are gonna create one user for publishing post on our website, so we are gonna go there we go, we are now an admin, that is me, and also a normal user. Okay, so right now I install a plugin to backup our WordPress site, so let's go, let's see the tutorial. If you like that, we are gonna go to Updraft Plus, let it load. We are gonna now create a backup, so backup now, include our database and our files, and backup now. We're gonna wait to end, so I don't think it's gonna take a lot, but let's go when it is finished. Okay, so our backup have finished and we have it right here, so we can restore it, delete it, or view our log. So we have completely backed up our site. So that's everything for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, I hope you find it interesting, and leave a like.